friend, welcome to my channel The Art Zone. Today I have come up with a new video of this beautiful pattern. Today we are going to make this chevron pattern. It is also known as zigzag pattern. It is quite simple, especially for beginners. So we have made this pattern in different colors. As you can see this, you can also make it in a single color, but I will teach you that how to make the chevron stitch in different colors. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell button and give your suggestion in comment section. Let's begin with the video. We are going to make this pattern with fine weight number 2 yarn. Here we have these two colors. You can also make it in different colors, but I'll just show you this pattern with 2 colors of yarn. I'm going to make this pattern with 3.5mm crochet hook because we have to keep the stitches a little bit loose. That is why I'm using the bigger hook. First of all, make a slip knot. Now we'll make the chains for the pattern. We have to make the chain in multiple of 27, then plus 5. Multiple of 7 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So friend, I have made 54 chains. After making 54 chains, now we'll add 5 chains. And with this pattern, you'll make 59 chains. After making 59 chains, now we'll start the pattern. Here we have the first chain. Now insert the hook into second chain. As you can see this, here we have the first chain, insert the hook into second chain and yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. With this pattern, we will make the single crochet, insert the hook into next chain and make a single crochet 2. After making these 2 single crochet, as you can see this, now we'll skip the next chain, then insert the hook into second chain. With this pattern, we will skip the next chain and make a single crochet. We'll count this single crochet as a first single crochet. Now we'll make 12 single crochet. 1, then next 2, insert the hook, make single crochet 3, next 4, insert the hook into the next chain and single crochet 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This pattern we will make 12 single crochet. After making this 12 single crochet, now here we have chain 13. So insert the hook into chain 13 and make 3 single crochet into chain 13. 1, then insert the hook into same chain and make single crochet 2, then insert the hook into same chain and make 3 single crochet. With this pattern, we will make the peak of pattern. As you can see this, here we have the peak and here we have the bottom. So next, into next 12 chains, we'll just make a single crochet in each chain. Insert the hook, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochet, now we'll make the bottom with this pattern. For this we have to skip next 2 chains, 1, 2, then insert the hook, skip these 2 chains, insert the hook into chain 3 and now make a single crochet, next chain single crochet, then again make 12 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 12. After making 12 single crochet, again you'll make the next peak like this. For this we have to make 3 single crochet into chain 13, insert the hook into chain 13 and make 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and make 1 more single crochet into same chain 3. With this pattern you'll turn the side. Next make 12 single crochet, 1, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochet, here we have these 3 chains left, you can see this. So skip third chain, insert the hook into second last chain and make a single crochet, then into last chain make a single crochet as well, then complete this row with this pattern. You can see this. For row 2 make a chain, turn the work. Here we have the first chain, you can see this. Here we have the first chain, so we'll make a single crochet into this chain, insert the hook and pull through 2 loops, then insert the hook into next chain, make a single crochet. This pattern we will make first 2 single crochet, then we have to skip chain 3, then insert the hook into chain 4 and make 12 single crochet, 1, 2, 11 and next chain single crochet, 12. After making 12 single crochet, here we have the chain 13, so insert the hook into chain 13 and make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Then next make 12 single crochet, insert the hook into next chain, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochet, next we have to skip 2 chains, then insert the hook into third chain and again make 12 single crochet, 1, 12. After making 12 single crochet, now make 3 single crochet into chain 13. We have to just repeat this pattern, and this pattern will make the chevron stitch. After making 3 single crochet, again make 12 single crochet. 12. After making 12 single crochet, next we have these 3 chains left, so skip third chain, then insert the hook into second last chain and make a single crochet, then insert the hook into last chain and make a single crochet, then complete the row with this pattern. For next row, make a chain, turn the side and start the work with same pattern. Insert the hook into next chain, make a single crochet 1, then single crochet 2. After making 2 single crochet, skip third chain, insert the hook into chain 4 and next make 12 single crochet 1, 2, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochet into chain 13, again we'll make the peak with 3 single crochet 1, 2, 3. Then make next 12 single crochet, 11 and 12. After making 12 single crochet, now we have to skip next 2 chains, 1, 2, then insert the hook into chain 3 and make next 12 single crochet, 1, 2, 11 and 12. Then to chain 13, make 3 single crochet, 3. After making this 3 single crochet, then make next 12 single crochet. After making 12 single crochet, skip next chain, then insert the hook into second last chain and make next 2 single crochet, 1, then make 1 single crochet into last chain. This pattern will complete this row. Just keep doing with this pattern and you will make the chevron stitch by repeating this pattern again and again. And if you want to change the color like this, you have to make 2, 4, 6 rows. I'll show you that what we have to do next. After making 8 rows, 2, 4, 6, 8 rows, now I will show you that how you can change the color. Here we have these last 3 chains. Skip third chain, insert the hook into second last chain and make a single crochet, then insert the hook into last chain, yarn over, pull the yarn. Now from this point we'll change the color. Now pull the yarn through these 2 loops. After doing this, now we'll make the next row with this color. For this we have to make a chain, turn the side, so we have to keep this yarn on back side, then insert the hook into first chain and make a single crochet, then insert the hook into second chain and make a single crochet, then skip third chain, make a single crochet into chain 4, then again make next 12 single crochet, with this pattern it will hide the extra yarn, as you can see this. Now just keep doing with the same pattern. Make 12 single crochet, then make 3 single crochet into the top chain and make the peak with this new color. like this. Then make next 12 single crochet and the pattern will be remain same, just we have to change the color. It's up to you that how much long you want to make the pattern with white color. Then again you can change the color from same side. So friends, I hope you will like this video. We'll meet you soon with a new video. Till then, goodbye.